A very warm good morning to one and all. Welcome to class KG. Today we'll learn a new topic, that is an sound. We call it an sound. M and man. The phonics sound of cursive letter M is M. M and man. P and pan. The phonics sound of cursive letter P is P. P and pan. K and can. The phonic sound of cursive letter C is K. K and can. F and fan. The phonic sound of cursive letter F is F. F and fan. R and ran. The phonic sound of cursive letter R is R. R and ran. Let's revise. M and man. K and can. F and fan. P and pan. The boy and ran with the pan. The boy ran with the pan. The man ran to the fan. The man ran to the fan. The can is in the pan. The can is in the pan. Thank you and have a nice day.